In this module, we'll understand about the contingent functions of money that were explained by Professor Kinley. Professor Kinley said that contingent functions of money become very important in the modern era like today. It is very important that we understand the value and the importance of money, because the money is a very dynamic resource. Therefore, it becomes very important that we understand not only primary and secondary but also contingent functions, because it can be used for multiple purposes. Very first is actually analyzing the national income. National income of different countries and also our country can be easily analyzed with the help of money. We can understand how much growth has happened, how much it has differed from the previous year, how much a developed country, developing country, underdeveloped country is different from each other. Therefore, in understanding national income also, money plays a very important role. Not only that, to understand macroeconomics better, gross national product can be understood more clearly with the help of money. Now, what do you mean by gross national product? It is the national product or the national output that is produced by the country in one financial year. Therefore, that can be understood better with the help of money. Not only that, we can also create credit money with the help of money. What is that? Whenever I want to take a loan from my bank, on the basis of money that is there in the bank, they actually provide me with the loan. When I speak about a loan that is given to me, that is a deferred payment or the payment that I'll have to make to the bank in future. So this is a credit. This is a loan that is given to me which I'll have to pay in future. So money becomes also important for making credit facility, making future money. It becomes very important that we understand money is not only limited to one person transaction, two-person transaction, but it is important through the entire economy. Not only that, money has a lot of different contingent functions. It imparts liquidity to wealth. That means any assets can be converted into liquid assets very quickly with the help of money. Liquid assets include bonds and all of those things. They can be easily converted into money. These resources, these different forms of money existed only because there was money. Liquidity increases. That means if I want to sell anything, it becomes easier because there is money. So money is not only limited just for medium of exchange or something that will help me to make a future payment, but it makes a huge difference because not only one person is getting affected, but entire country is getting affected because it involves national income, national product, macroeconomics, credit facilities. So it is a very dynamic concept. Contingent functions were explained by Professor Kinley, and over here he has explained different functions of money. Thank you.